Well, back out here in our honey hole where we got permission. It's my third target today. I got a fired round ball, looks like. Pretty cool. Got the new all-terrain Pro Pointer by Garrett. It is working awesome.
It's the only way to dig this area is when it's a little wet. It's so hard last time.
Thanks for watching. Well, I just found another round ball. This one's kind of chewed up. I don't know if somebody chewed on it. It's a pretty good size ball though. Or a pretty good chunk of lead anyway. It's heavy. Oh yeah, we're on it today. The ground's nice and moist. Signals are coming out better. Seem to find more stuff and the ground's wet. I found a handful of stuff so far. I haven't videoed everything, but I'll show y'all at the end. Thanks for watching. Alright, got another good find here. Kind of hard to see out here, but looks like a scabbard tip. Off old sword holder. It was about 12 inches deep too. Will give me a high tone every now and then. Using the AT Pro. Awesome find. We are on it today. I got a handful of stuff already. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright. Got another first today. Awesome. Awesome first. Look real close. See a big old U on there. I got me a belt buckle. A US belt buckle. It's got the lead on the back. There's a hook. Looks like a hook.
Fired round ball.
KK just got a fired round ball over there. Man, I'm stoked. We are on it. Civilwar battlefield. I thought it was a piece of junk when I pulled it out. I thought it was scrap metal. And then I unfolded a little bit and I said, I think I got a plate. And dang if I didn't have one. I was kind of joking about it.
This line right here I found, I don't know how many damn bullets right through here. And I was big with bam.
Alright man, that's a rare find. If you can see it.
They were firing like this is the center of the battle.
Big old U. It's probably got an S next to it. Civilwar Nectar.
There was shit going on right there. When you find Confederate, they were going
unreal.
on.
Thanks for watching.
They were all through here. You know.
I found an old house site out here. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of like an old lock, maybe. Kind of cool looking. Gave me a high tone. I can't see what I'm doing. It's got some markings on it. Looks pretty old though. Maybe part of an old lock. Cool find. Let's dig another hole later. Alright. Just dug up something kind of weird. Kind of looks like a big gun sight. But I hear Ben over there hollering, got half a 3-ringer. Alright. Anyway, I don't know if this is a hood ornament or what the heck it is. Looks like it slid into something. But I like to think it's a gun sight off a big gun, but who knows? Anybody knows, let me know. Thanks. Later. Alright, got me a 3-ringer. I'm trying to find one of these for a little while. Found a lot of good stuff today, but I like finding these. You know you got a piece of history when you hold one of these. It's a whole lot of lead there. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Alright, day's starting to wind down. Got me another 3-ringer. About wore out. Got ready to hit the road. But awesome day. We've had some good finds. Still can't believe I found a US buckle. So we can't get no better than this. Appreciate y'all watching. Well,
Buck and ball.
all right. Out here with the AT Pro. Got another first today. My first ever infield bullet, which I think that's what it is, but it's smooth and it's a big bullet. So I'm excited about that. Wore out. Awesome day. Thanks for watching. Here's the finds from my last hunt, battlefield hunt. We all did pretty good. I got some things I'm excited about. This is an old lock, I think. Looks like an old lock. Pretty sure it is. Looks really old. Found this swirly looking thing, this cap. I ain't got a clue on that. Some kind of lid off of something. And some kind of key, possibly. Wind up key maybe, I don't know. Some kind of thingamabob off of something. It's got that patina to it. This is some kind of a cap, maybe, I don't know. Find a lot of things out there, we don't know what they are. Do a little research. Here's it's a square nail, some sort. It's very square. Couple shotgun shells. Got some lead. Love finding lead. This one here is kind of odd. Looks like it might have been something. Kind of rounded. Got a chewed bullet. One of the guys hunting with us last weekend is a dentist, and he said there's definitely teeth marks in this chewed up round. Looks like a round ball. Got some deep tooth marks in it. It's a piece of flattened out lead. There's a fired round ball. Another piece of lead and a little bitty small piece of lead. Kind of looked like a tooth. This right here was rolled up and unrolled it. It looks like it might be a backing off of a box plate, possibly, or a buckle. Sure looks like one. This guy here, I'm not sure about at all. Looks like part of it might have broke off. It's real heavy. It's got a big round ball on it. I don't know if it was copper or what, but or bronze, but might be part of a. I don't know if they made finials that big on cartridge bags, but that's possible. And this right here, I thought it was a scabbard tip off a sword, but saw some pictures on the internet, and it's a finial off a cartridge bag. Most definitely. So that's still a cool find. Here's some kind of grommet, tent grommet or something. Maybe a tarp. Who knows? Here's a hinge off of something. Actually still moves. A piece of pipe, and my big find of the day was this US, I think it's a box plate. We called it a buckle to begin with. It looked like it had a hook on the back, but it was up on top up here, and it broke off. But anyway, it's got lead on the back, and I don't know much about these, but it could be a buckle or a box plate. It was folded over right here, and I straightened it out and cleaned it best I could. But it's a US plate of some sort. I was real excited about this, one of my best finds. Been looking for one of these. There's the back again. Lead split. I might get it restored, I'm not sure yet. I kind of like the way it looks like it is, but checking into getting it restored. But anyway, I found some other stuff that I didn't lay out, just put my best stuff out. I found some old glass, colorful pieces of glass. Were on a battlefield, but also some house sites. And so actually I need to wash that other stuff, clean it off, and make sure I don't have something else good. But anyway, we had a great day and had a couple firsts. One of these bullets, by the way, is my first infield. I may have hit it with a shovel, and I think it was hit with the plow. That was a cool find for me. My first smooth bullet. Did get a bucking ball, a couple of smaller caliber bullets, and that one mini ball in the middle is, I don't know, don't have that white color to it so much, but it's definitely a 3-ringer. That's a cool chewed up bullet too. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll be posting some more videos soon. Shout out to my buddy Mississippi Treasure Hunter, and Ben, Papa Plug, and his buddy coming out with us, and more videos to come. Thanks for watching.